This dance is called Just Right. It's a 64 count, 2 wall, beginner stroke intermediate level line dance. Starting on our right foot, we're going to chassé to the right, rock back on the left, recover your weight on the right, step the left to the side, point the right over the left, to the side, cross right over left. So that little section once more then. Chassé to the right, right foot leading. 7, 8, right chassé, back, rock, side, point, point, cross. We're going to repeat that with the left foot, so the mirror image. Chassé to the left, rock back on the right, recover, step the right to the side, point left over right, left to the side, cross left over right. So that last section then, chassé to the left, left foot leading. 7, 8, left chassé, back, rock, side, point, point, cross. Let's add those two sections together. Chassé to the right, right foot leading. 7, 8, right chassé, back, rock, side, point, point, cross, left chassé, back, rock, side, point, point, cross. Stomp the right to the side, hold, on the and count bring the feet together, stomp the right to the side. Walk the left foot in, heel, toe, heel. Rock back on the left, recover. So that section once more then. Stomp to the right, 7, 8, stomp, hold and stomp, heel, toe, heel, back, rock. Let's add that to the top. Chassé to the right, right foot leading. 7, 8, right chassé, back, rock, side, point, point, cross, left chassé, back, rock, side, point, point, cross. Stomp, hold and stomp, heel, toe, heel, back, rock. So that's actually the last of our and counts. So the chassés in those first two sections, and then that and count in that stomp, stomp, and hold, and stomp, heel, toe, heel. 1, hold, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So once we've done our back rock, we're going into a couple of chase half turns. So we step forward on the left, pivot half a turn right, step forward on the left, hold and clap. Repeat with the right, step forward on the right, pivot half turn left, step forward on the right, hold and clap. 2 chase half turns, nice and easy. Let's just add that onto the top. That takes us to our halfway position. Chassé to the right, right foot leading. 7, 8, right chassé, back, rock, side, point, point, cross, left chassé, back, rock, side, point, point, cross. Stomp, hold and stomp, heel, toe, heel, back, rock. Step, pivot, step, hold, step, pivot, step, hold. So let's take it from the halfway position then. Nice easy set of steps to start with. Couple of vines. So we're going to vine to the left, side behind, side touch, vine back to the right, side behind, side touch. I'll add the next bit on. Step the left to the side, touch the right by the left, kick the right over the left twice. Rock back on the left, right, recover your weight on the left, step forward on that right, pivot half a turn left. So let's just do that last section. Side touch kicks, half on the left. 7, 8, side touch, kick, kick, back, rock, step, pivot. Let's just add that to our halfway section. Vines to the left. 7, 8, side behind, side touch, side behind, side touch, side touch, kick, kick, back, rock, step, pivot. Into a couple of toe struts. So we're going to do a right toe strut, left toe strut travelling forward, and a rocking chair on the end. Now there are some optional styling steps with these toe struts. What you can actually do is make a V with your index and middle finger, I think it is, palm outwards with that V, pull it across the eyes effectively. So as you're doing your right toe strut, you'll have that V with the right hand, toe strut. And when you do your left one, you do exactly the same, but with the left hand. So optional styling steps, I can obviously only do the one because I've only got one hand free. But if you wish to put those in with the toe struts, then that's entirely up to you. So that section once more then, toe struts and rocking chair off on the right. 7, 8, toe strut, rocking chair. Let's add that to our halfway point. Vine to the left, left foot leading. 7, 8, side, behind, side, touch, side, behind, side, touch, kick, kick, back, rock, step, pivot, toe strut, rocking chair. Now to end the dance, double step pivot half. So we're going to step forward on the right, pivot half a turn left, step forward on the right, pivot half a turn left. Now that does make a full turn. If you want to try and take that out, just do another rocking chair on that right foot. The final little bit, jazz box with a cross. Cross, back, side, cross. End of dance when we get to that point. So let's put that onto our halfway point. Vine to the left, left foot leading. 7, 8, side, behind, side, touch, side, behind, side, touch, kick, kick, back, rock, step, pivot, toe strut, rocking chair, step, pivot, cross, back, side, cross. So that's our two halves. Let's put them together. Chassé to the right, right foot leading. 7, 8, right chassé, back rock, side point, point, cross. Left chassé, back rock, side point, point, cross. Stomp and stomp, heel, toe, heel, back, rock, step, pivot, step, pivot, step. Side behind, side touch, side behind, side touch, kick, kick, back, rock, step, pivot, toe strut, rocking chair, step, pivot, cross, back, side, cross. Now it is 2-wall dance, so let's have a go at the back wall, and we'll keep going when we get back to the front, so you can see how the walls join together. Chassé to the right, right foot leading. 7, 8, right chassé, back rock, side point, point, cross. Left chassé, back rock, side point, point, cross. Stomp and stomp, heel, toe, heel, back, rock, step, pivot, step, pivot, step. Side behind, side touch, side behind, side touch, kick, kick, back, rock, step, pivot, toe strut, rocking chair, step, pivot, jazz box with a cross. Right chassé, back, rock, side, point, point, cross. Left chassé, back, rock, side, point, point, cross. Stomp and stomp, heel, toe, heel, back, rock, step, pivot, step, pivot, step. Side behind, side touch, side behind, side touch, kick, kick, back, rock, step, pivot, toe strut, rocking chair, step, pivot, jazz box with a cross. So that is your dance and your walkthrough. Let's give it a go to a bit of music. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right chassé, back, rock, side, point, point, cross, left chassé, back, rock, side, point, cross, stop, and stop, heel, turn, heel, back, rock, step, pivot, step, step, pivot, step, side behind, side behind, side touch, kick, back, rock, step, pivot, toe strut, rocking chair, step, pivot, jazz box, cross, chassé, back, rock, side, point, cross, chassé, back, rock, side, point, cross, stop, and stop, heel, back, rock, step, pivot, step, pivot, step, side behind, side touch, kick, back, rock, step, pivot, toe strut, rocking chair, step, pivot, jazz box, cross, chassés. Stop, chase, vines, side touch, toe struts, step hips, chassé. Stop, chase, vine, side touch, toe struts, step hips. Hope you managed that one.